Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make money from the price differences of coins on different websites. This happens because some new exchanges put higher prices for coins than on other exchanges to attract more customers. We will use this to make money, and you can do it even from your smartphone. We will use two exchanges, Zelbit and Binance. As you can see, the Bitcoin price on Zelbit is about 10% higher than on Binance. First, we need to put some Bitcoin on Zelbit. Go to the wallet and click Deposit. Select Bitcoin and click Show Address. Copy it and go to Binance. We're gonna start with 0.59 Bitcoin, which is approximately $20,000. The Bitcoin will come to Zelbit in a few minutes. Go to Trading and find Bitcoin. Then sell all of it. Great, we just made about $2,000. Now we need to take it out to Binance. We select TRC20 network and send it to our Binance address as shown in the video. As you can see, we have $22,000 instead of $20,000. Now let's do it again, but with more money. $50,000. I deposit and sell them on Zelbit, then take them out to Binance. Let's do it one more time with the maximum amount. $100,000. I do the same things as before. This is a very safe way to make money. You've learned how to make easy money with different prices of coins. Thank you for watching and good luck!